A major espionage network, described by officials as ISI-backed, has been uncovered, with investigators revealing that Indian army movements were being monitored in real time through a network of covert CCTV cameras. The operation, busted by the special cell of the Delhi police, led to the arrest of 11 accused involved in espionage, arms smuggling, and reconnaissance activities. Officials said the surveillance grid was spread across multiple sensitive locations, including areas in Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, and Rajasthan, all of which are strategically important due to military presence and proximity to the border. According to the investigation, solar-powered CCTV cameras were installed at key vantage points near cantonments, highways, and troop movement routes. These devices were equipped with SIM cards obtained using fake identities and transmitted live footage to handlers across the border. Police indicated that the network operated in coordination with Pakistan-based handlers who analyzed the footage to track defense movement patterns and identify vulnerabilities. Authorities said the intent went beyond surveillance and could have been linked to planning potential terror activities. The crackdown was carried in two phases. In the first phase, 6 suspects were arrested and 9 cameras, 4 pistols, including 3 foreign-made weapons, and 24 cartridges were recovered. In the second phase, 5 more operatives were arrested based on military intelligence inputs. Investigators said the accused were recruited through financial incentives and were involved in tasks such as installing cameras, arranging logistics, and expanding the network. One key accused was found to be in direct contact with handlers in Pakistan. Officials believe the operation has averted a major security threat. Further investigations are underway, with agencies examining digital evidence to identify additional links and possible sleeper cells.